Wealth management is a comprehensive approach to financial planning and investment that seeks to grow and protect your assets over the long term. Wealth Management Essentials. Strategies for Growing and Protecting Your Wealth is a comprehensive guide that delves into the core principles and strategies of wealth management. From setting financial goals to optimizing investment portfolios and planning for retirement, this guide provides valuable insights for individuals seeking to build and safeguard their wealth. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's start. The importance of wealth management. Wealth beyond income. Discuss how wealth encompasses more than just income. It includes assets, investments, and the overall financial well-being that provides security and freedom. Long-term financial goals. Emphasize the significance of setting clear, achievable long-term financial goals as a foundation for effective wealth management. The role of professional advisors. Introduce the concept of working with financial advisors, such as wealth managers, financial planners, and estate planners, to create a personalized wealth management plan. Financial planning and goal setting. Setting smart financial goals. Explain how to establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart financial goals, ensuring clarity and accountability. Personalized financial plans. Discuss the process of creating a customized financial plan that aligns with your goals, including budgeting, debt management, and investment strategies. Investment strategies for wealth growth. Risk tolerance assessment. Explain the importance of assessing your risk tolerance to determine suitable investment strategies, such as conservative, balanced, or aggressive portfolios. Asset allocation. Discuss the concept of asset allocation and how diversifying investments across asset classes can optimize returns and manage risk. Investment vehicles. Introduce various investment vehicles, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and alternative investments, and explain their roles in wealth growth. Wealth protection and insurance. Insurance essentials. Discuss the role of insurance in wealth management, including life insurance, health insurance, property insurance, and liability coverage. Estate planning. Explain the importance of estate planning in protecting and transferring wealth to future generations, including wills, trusts, and beneficiary designations. Tax efficiency strategies. Tax planning. Highlight the significance of tax planning in wealth management and explore strategies for minimizing tax liabilities, such as tax-efficient investments and retirement accounts. Tax-efficient investing. Discuss tax-efficient investing practices, such as harvesting capital losses, using tax-advantaged accounts, and understanding tax brackets. Retirement planning. Retirement goals and vision. Encourage individuals to envision their ideal retirement lifestyle and determine the financial resources required to achieve it. Retirement accounts. Explain the various retirement accounts, including 401(k)s, IRAs, and pension plans, and provide guidance on contribution limits, withdrawals, and rollovers. Wealth management tools and technology. Wealth management software. Introduce wealth management software and tools that help individuals track their financial progress, manage investments, and make informed decisions. Online investment platforms. Discuss the rise of online investment platforms and robo-advisors, highlighting their accessibility and affordability for wealth management. Strategies for wealth preservation. Risk management. Examine strategies for managing financial risks, such as market volatility, economic downturns, and unexpected expenses. Diversification and asset protection. Highlight the role of diversification in protecting wealth and preserving capital during challenging economic times. Charitable giving and legacy planning. Charitable giving strategies. Discuss philanthropic opportunities and charitable giving strategies, including donor-advised funds, charitable trusts, and planned giving. Legacy planning. Explain how legacy planning involves creating a lasting impact by passing down values, assets, and wealth to future generations and charitable causes. Behavioral finance and emotional considerations. Behavioral biases. Explore common behavioral biases that can impact financial decision-making and provide strategies for overcoming them. Emotional resilience. Discuss the importance of emotional resilience in wealth management and strategies for staying focused on long-term goals despite market fluctuations. Wealth management in retirement. Transitioning to retirement. Discuss the financial considerations and challenges that arise when transitioning from wealth accumulation to retirement, including the shift from earning income to relying on savings. Retirement income streams. Explain the various sources of retirement income, including Social Security, pensions, annuities, and investment portfolios. Discuss strategies for optimizing retirement income. Long-term care and healthcare planning. Healthcare costs in retirement. Highlight the significance of planning for healthcare costs in retirement, including Medicare coverage, supplemental insurance, and long-term care expenses. Long-term care insurance. Examine the role of long-term care insurance in protecting retirement savings from the high costs associated with nursing homes and in-home care. Tax-efficient retirement withdrawals. Tax-efficient withdrawal strategies. Provide strategies for minimizing tax liabilities during retirement, such as managing withdrawals from tax-deferred and tax-free retirement accounts. Roth conversions. Explain the concept of Roth IRA conversions and how they can offer tax advantages during retirement. Estate and inheritance planning. Estate taxes. Discuss estate tax considerations and strategies for minimizing estate tax liabilities, including the use of trusts and gifting. Wealth transfer and inheritance. Examine how wealth can be transferred to heirs and beneficiaries while preserving assets and ensuring a smooth transition of wealth. Wealth management beyond borders. International wealth management. Explore the complexities of managing wealth in a global context, including offshore accounts, international tax planning, and cross-border investments. Diversifying investments globally. Discuss the benefits of diversifying investment portfolios across international markets and regions to reduce risk and access growth opportunities. Sustainable and impactful wealth management. Sustainable investing. Examine the role of sustainable and socially responsible investing, SRI, in wealth management and its potential to align financial goals with ethical and environmental values. Impact investing. Discuss impact investing as a strategy for achieving both financial returns and positive social or environmental outcomes, emphasizing the power of wealth to create positive change. Wealth management and technology. Fintech advancements. Discuss the impact of financial technology, fintech, on wealth management, including the use of digital platforms, automated investing, and mobile apps for tracking and managing wealth. Artificial intelligence, AI, in wealth management. Examine how AI and machine learning are transforming wealth management through predictive analytics, personalized recommendations, and risk assessment. Philanthropy and giving back. Charitable giving strategies. Discuss advanced philanthropic strategies for individuals who wish to make a significant impact, such as establishing family foundations, donor-advised funds, and charitable remainder trusts. Legacy philanthropy. Explore the concept of legacy philanthropy, which involves planning for a lasting charitable impact through endowments and multi-generational giving. Behavioral finance and advanced decision-making. Behavioral biases in wealth management. Dive deeper into behavioral biases that can affect advanced wealth management decisions and provide strategies for mitigating their impact. Advanced decision-making frameworks. Discuss advanced decision-making frameworks, such as prospect theory and mental accounting, to help individuals make rational financial choices. Continuous learning and adaptation. Lifelong learning in wealth management. Emphasize the importance of continuous education and staying informed about evolving financial markets, tax regulations, and investment strategies. Adaptability and flexibility. Discuss the need for adaptability in wealth management, as economic and financial landscapes are subject to change. Encourage individuals to remain flexible and adjust their strategies as needed. Advanced tax and estate planning. Tax-efficient strategies. Delve into advanced tax planning techniques, including tax-efficient investing, estate freezes, and charitable remainder trusts, to optimize wealth preservation and minimize tax liabilities. Wealth transfer optimization. Explain advanced wealth transfer strategies, such as dynasty trusts and generation-skipping transfers, to facilitate the efficient transfer of assets to future generations. Alternative investments and asset classes. Hedge funds and private equity. Explore alternative investment options, including hedge funds and private equity, and discuss their potential benefits and risks in advanced wealth management portfolios. Real assets and commodities. Examine the inclusion of real assets like real estate and commodities in wealth management strategies to enhance diversification and mitigate risk. Risk management in advanced wealth management. Risk assessment and hedging. Discuss advanced risk assessment techniques and hedging strategies to protect wealth from unforeseen events and market volatility. Family office services. Introduce the concept of family offices, which provide comprehensive wealth management services, including risk management, investment, and financial planning, for ultra-high net worth individuals and families. International wealth management strategies. Cross-border planning. Examine advanced strategies for managing wealth in an international context, including offshore trusts, tax treaties, and residency planning. Global investment opportunities. Discuss the advantages of diversifying investments globally and explore advanced approaches to international asset allocation. Sustainable and impact investing in advanced wealth management. Impact investing metrics. Explain advanced impact investing metrics and measurement tools that assess both financial returns and social or environmental impact. Sustainable portfolio optimization. Discuss advanced techniques for integrating sustainable and impact investments into wealth management portfolios to align with values and goals. Personal growth and legacy. Personal growth and fulfillment. Discuss the importance of personal growth and fulfillment as integral components of advanced wealth management. Explore how a holistic approach to wealth includes well-being, happiness, and personal development. Leaving a legacy. Examine the concept of leaving a meaningful legacy beyond financial wealth. Encourage individuals to consider the values, knowledge, and experiences they want to pass down to future generations. Continuous learning and adaptation. Lifelong learning. Highlight the ongoing need for education and self-improvement in advanced wealth management. Discuss the importance of staying current with financial trends and emerging opportunities. Adaptive wealth management. Emphasize the necessity of adaptability in wealth management. Encourage individuals to remain flexible and adjust their strategies to align with changing financial landscapes and personal goals. Wealth management for multiple generations. Multi-generational wealth planning. Discuss the complexities of wealth management when dealing with multiple generations within a family. Explore strategies for preserving wealth while addressing the diverse financial needs and goals of family members. Family governance. Examine the concept of family governance structures, including family councils and constitutions, as a means to facilitate communication, decision-making, and wealth preservation among family members. Philanthropic foundations and impact. Establishing philanthropic foundations. Provide insights into the creation and management of philanthropic foundations, including the legal and operational considerations involved. Impact measurement and evaluation. Discuss advanced techniques for measuring and evaluating the social and environmental impact of philanthropic efforts, ensuring that charitable activities align with intended goals. Holistic wealth management. Holistic financial planning. Emphasize the holistic approach to wealth management, which considers not only financial wealth but also physical health, mental well-being, and overall life satisfaction. Wealth and well-being. Discuss the intricate relationship between wealth and well-being, exploring how a balanced and fulfilled life contributes to long-term financial success. Conclusion. Wealth management essentials. Strategies for growing and protecting your wealth equips individuals with the knowledge and tools needed to embark on a successful journey of wealth management. By understanding the core principles of wealth management, setting clear financial goals, and implementing strategies to grow and protect wealth, individuals can achieve financial security and work towards their long-term aspirations. This guide reinforces that wealth management is not solely about accumulating assets but also about creating a solid financial foundation that supports a fulfilling and secure life. The principles and strategies presented here empower individuals to navigate the complexities of wealth management and make informed financial decisions that align with their unique goals and aspirations. Your journey to building and protecting your wealth is a testament to your commitment to financial well-being and a legacy of financial security for generations to come. What you think about the video, let me know in comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.